Casper screens are fast and easy to install. There are 4 pieces that fit together like a puzzle. You have your bottom track, your top track, your side profile with a full length magnet, and your housing. On each side of the housing there's a tongue. As you see here. On your top track there's a groove. The groove fits right into the tongue, just like so. So to properly install your door, you're going to put your housing first, and that should fit in there pretty snug. Next, you're going to do your top track. Just as I just showed in the video, the groove goes into the tongue. Next is your side profile with the full length magnet. This is going to go on the opposing side, and that just slides right up in there, just like that. Next is your bottom track. It's the same exact step that we just did with the top track. And finally, all you need to do is just screw it in.